How to set up customer thank you flow in Klaviyo. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to klaviyo.com, and then from in there you should be able to see in here this page. So once you're in here, proceed to click on this and input your email address that you wish to use and click on sign up in order to create an account. Now if you already have an account, you can just proceed to click on this login option that we can see right here. Since I already have logged, let me head over and then just log in. Now here is my Klaviyo email. Into this, we can actually see our dashboard, and from in there, you can see this flows option. Head over and click on that. Once you have done this, you just need to input right here the flows that you would want. So since we want right here a customer thank you flow, click on this create flow option right there. And then after that, just wait for this to load. Click onto the search flow and let's search in here for thank you. You should be able to see in here this first pitches as well as thank you and bounce back. We can also have in here this customer thank you option. So we have in here one WooCommerce and we also have one from Shopify. So for this case, just choose in here which one you want. I'll choose this one from Shopify. And then from in there, this will actually create in here this flow. So click on this use template. You can also add more tags if you would want. Now into this, we can actually head over and then edit it in order to suit our actual liking. As you can see, the trigger is when someone places an order. You can input right here a wait time as well as conditional split. So I'll head over and then remove this wait time right here. You can set in here particular wait time. I'll choose in here 1 minute. So it will be instant. Then for this one, we have the conditional split for yes or no. And once we're done, we just need to click onto this review and turn on right here. Make sure that the flow status is live and click on save. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.